We're here with Ernand from esschert Design. Now, when you think Spielwarenmesse, you don't normally think gardening equipment, but you've brought a wonderful range of kids' gardening tools.
Yeah, that's correct. We are a gardening company with a kids range, and it's the first time at the Spielwarenmesse. We are very happy to be here, and we want to introduce a lot of nice things for gardening, like playing in a garden, working in a garden, and discovering in the garden, and that we also have some things to be outdoor for every weather. That's a little bit what we do here in Nuremberg, and we must say we are very satisfied about the first 2 days.
Well, that's great to hear. So what gave you the first idea? You say you're a gardening tool company. What made you go, I'll go to the toy fair?
So we visited the toy fair, I think 10 years or 9 years ago, and we looked at it. And now our collection is so good for the toy fair, we decided to try to get in. So we had a very good cooperation with the Messe, where we could stand, how we could stand, what we could do. So yeah, it's a good, I think, good start to find new business for us.
It's a very good idea to take one of your niche parts of your whole company and then put a spotlight on it for a very specific fair. So you say the first 2 days of Spielwarenmesse have gone well. Will you be back next year?
Certainly, yes, we do. Yeah.
Well, we love to have you here. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.